Hello, I'm Valerie White, Director of Public Health at NHS Dumfries and Galloway. I'm sure everybody's very aware that across Scotland we've seen quite significant increases in COVID-19 cases over the last couple of weeks. And Dumfries and Galloway were no exception. Since Monday of this week, we've seen 150 cases diagnosed across the region, and over this last week we've had cases appear in all postcode sectors of Dumfries and Galloway. In terms of hospitalisations, we have seen a small increase in the number of hospitalisations that have occurred due to COVID-19. The numbers are still small, which is reassuring that our vaccination programme is working and working well. But there is a but coming, I'm afraid. We don't yet have our full adult population double jabbed. It's those 2 doses of the vaccine that gives you the maximum protection, and really a couple of weeks after you've had that second jag that you get your maximum protection. And this is really the game changer here. So until we are in that place where we can give everybody the maximum protection that we can, it's really important that we still have our best efforts to keep the levels of the virus to as low a levels as we possibly can. So that means that everybody does need to continue to play their part in this, and that is absolutely by although I know it's really difficult and becomes ever more difficult as the days and weeks pass, but we still need to speak to still need to follow the rules and guidance in relation to the numbers of people that we can meet up with, both indoors and outdoors. And as individuals, I think it's really important that you understand that the more people that you interact with and socialise with, the more likely it is that you could either become get COVID, catch COVID, or become a contact of a case, and therefore end up having to self-isolate for a period of 10 days. And I know that the impacts for that are really difficult and really challenging for everybody. So thinking about the number of people that you're interacting with, having close contact, continues to be something to be thoughtful of. Meeting up outdoors is also much safer than meeting indoors. If you are meeting indoors, please just try and get the maximum ventilation that you can, opening doors and windows. Physical distancing, whether you're meeting outdoors or indoors, is still really, really important, because the virus spreads through droplet transmission, through contact. So the further away you are from people, the less likely your chance of catching COVID. So that still remains a key preventative measure, as does rigorously cleaning hands, cleaning surfaces, having good respiratory hygiene, and wearing face coverings as well. So these are all still really, really important. Testing is also another really important preventative measure. As we're moving about and interacting more, if we don't have any symptoms, then taking a quick twice weekly lateral flow test can help to pick up cases of COVID-19 and break those chains of transmission. There are lots of ways that you can get these testing kits. You can order them online and they're delivered to you, or you can order them by phone. A number of community pharmacies are now able to provide these kits, and you can pick them up from the community testing facilities that we have across the region as well. So there's lots and lots of ways to access the test kits. So please do take up that offer of that simple test that you can do, which is something that we can all play our part in. I've talked about vaccinations. I think everybody knows the message. Please take up that offer of vaccination when you're offered it. The 2 doses, you must get 2 doses to get that maximum protection. If you are unfortunate enough to develop symptoms, everyone by now knows the drill. You need to self-isolate with your household, book a PCR test and await the results. If you're contacted by Test and Protect and giving advice to self-isolate either as a case or as a contact, please do follow that advice. There are supports available for you to support you with self-isolation, but we still are in that place where we're trying to break those chains of transmissions to try and keep the virus suppressed to lower levels. We all want to move past this pandemic. Goodness, I certainly know that I do, and I know you all feel exactly the same. So we still need to work together to allow that moving forward to continue to happen. And I know that you've all been fantastic in playing your parts today in this, and I know that you'll continue to do so. So thank you. I know this is tough, but we can still keep going and we can move through this. Thank you.